Hey y'all, it's Quanna. I wanted to do a quick video using For You by Tia. I had no idea that this product even existed and it's been out for like a year. But it's super affordable. I got 7 products for a total of like $78, and the only thing I didn't get was the clarifying shampoo. So I'm going to do wash my hair and then do a braid and curl today. But these products are non-toxic, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and so I'm just starting off with the shampoo, rinsing my hair. And the first thing I noticed was that it didn't really have much of a smell, but it said it was supposed to have like this green apple scent. For both the shampoo and the conditioner, the 3 main ingredients are Hemi 15 watermelon extract and hibiscus oil. They both felt very moisturizing, and I was really impressed with how sudsy the shampoo got, so really liked it. It also left my hair feeling super clean, but not that stripped, like feeling that my hair was going to be breaking off or anything like that. So I really liked it. It felt really nice. And this was my second shampoo with that shampoo. Next, I'm going right in with the moisturizing conditioner. The conditioner was the same way. I really didn't mind that these products didn't have much of a smell because I'm kind of sensitive to fragrances. So I like that it was just like a very light smell. It was very moisturizing, and I missed a lot of clips of me detangling my hair because I was out of frame, but it actually had a lot of slips, so I really appreciated that too. Now I'm going to take a t-shirt and just wrap that around my hair to soak up all the excess water, and then we're going to move right into styling the hair. So I went ahead and put my hair into 4 sections just to make it a little easier to manage, and I'm spraying a little more water back into my hair, and then I'm going to be taking the leave-in conditioner, or the leave-in curl cream, basically a leave-in conditioner. And yeah, I really liked the bottle of this. They had like this twisting cap that would open and close for you to put the products on your hair. It's kind of a love-hate relationship though, because you also couldn't set the bottle down without it spilling everywhere. But anyways, the leave-in conditioner, it's super nice. Like, it felt like a regular conditioner. It had so much slip and my hair felt so moisturized. I actually think I used probably too much, but yeah, I really liked how this felt in my hair. As I was sitting here detangling my hair, I was like, oh my gosh, where did all this hair come from? Like, my hair's growing back so fast. Anyways, moving into the braid and curl, I'm going to take pretty chunky sections of hair, and then I'm going to be using the curl defining gel as well as the curl defining mousse. So I only used a little bit of the curl defining gel, and then I'm taking like a half pump of the curl defining mousse and putting that through my hair and then detangling before I move on to braiding. So I'm splitting the section into 3, and then I'm going to braid down, making sure to keep the section of hair detangled as I'm doing this. Then I'm going to just be taking the end of my hair and making sure to smooth it out before adding the rod. And I actually bought end papers to do this and then forgot about them, but that helps with smoothing. So yeah, I'm just wrapping the hair up in a spiral. And then I'm going to continue that all over my head. You can see I had like so much leave-in conditioner in my hair because before adding the gel or the mousse, there was just so much product. But it still turned out pretty nice. But yeah, I loved how easy my hair was to detangle with the leave-in curl cream in. Like, it really worked so well. So yeah, I'm just going to continue that and let y'all watch from here. Now I've got all of my braids and rods in, and the braids were super plump. I felt like I was worried that I was going to have too much product in my hair and that it was going to come out crusty dusty, but it didn't. So this is the next morning. I let my hair air dry for a few hours and then went to sleep on it, and then I'm just using the oil that comes in the line, and I'm going to use that to help take out all of the braids and curls. So I'm starting out with just removing the rods, and then I'll go in and remove the braids and fluff. So as you can see, my hair didn't have any leftover residue or flaking from all of the product that I used. And I really appreciate that, because I feel like there's so many products that if you use too much or you mix up certain things, like, it'll give you flakes. But my hair looked super shiny and it felt really moisturized, and it also felt really light. So I don't know if that's something I love. I think it could have had like a little bit stronger of a hold, because as soon as I started separating, it got really fluffy, which I don't necessarily mind, but if you're somebody who likes a little more definition, I don't know that you would love this product. But also it could just be because I used so much of the leave-in curl cream under it, which may have just like softened it too much. I'm not sure. But I still really liked how this was coming out, and I really liked the shine that my hair had. I had to do just a little bit of edges because I like to have my edges done. So if you don't like that, then skip it and hush. But yeah, I wanted to smooth those out before I started fluffing, just so that everything could be smooth in the front. I did a lot of separating and picking because I really like my hair to look more fluffy, so I didn't mind that I was losing a little bit of definition, but I do feel like for what I used, like it held a good shape still. I always feel like I need to have the front of my hair pulled back because the length is just weird. So I tried to do this like pin-up style and it was looking real crazy. So I ended up taking it out. But I just like to experiment with different things in the front. I don't know if I like that. Alright, y'all, that pretty much concludes the video. I'm just playing in my hair at this point, but I'd love to know if you've tried For You by Tia, what your experience with it has been. If you haven't purchased it, if you would try it. Interact in the comments and give me a like. Bye!